Namaste everyone, welcome back to Heritage Echoes with Sam. Today, I am at stunning Sant Shiromani Pipaji Maharaj Panorama in Jhalawad, Rajasthan, initiated by former CM Vasundhara Raje ji. This place beautifully captures the life of a warrior king turned saint, Sant Pipaji Maharaj. Even the Guru Granth Sahib ji honors Sant Pipaji and his spiritual legacy was embraced by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and preserved in this holy scripture. It's a journey from royalty to deep devotion that everyone should see. So, let me show you this incredible heritage preserved here. And after that, I will take you to the Dham of Sant Pipaji Maharaj. So, watch this.
As we step inside this beautifully curated gallery, every frame tells a profound story of transformation. From the royal corridors of the Gagran fort to the humble life of a divine seeker. These vivid depictions capture the pivotal moment when Rao Pratap Singh renounced his throne to become Sant Pipaji, guided by the wisdom of Ramanandacharya and the devotion of his wife Sita Ji. You can see the legendary miracles portrayed here, including the famous encounter where his spiritual strength tamed a fierce lion and his tireless service to the common people through a simple labor. Most significantly, this panorama highlights his eternal legacy as his sacred verses and character were so divine that they were honored by Guru Nanak Dev Ji and find a permanent place in the holy Guru Granth Sahib. Each mural on these walls is a window into a time when devotion surpassed the desire for power, radiating the peace he found after surrendering his ego and teaching us that a true fort is not made of stone but of faith and compassion. Leaving the gallery, we head towards Pipaji Dham Marg, the sacred path leading to the spiritual heart of Gagron, where history is carved into the earth. We have arrived at the ancient Gufa, the silent witness to his deep meditation, standing beside the ancient tree that has shaded seekers for generations. But look at this mystical sight. Right here, where the Kali Sindh and Ahu rivers meet, is a shivling submerged in the water, naturally worshipped by the flowing current in a display of pure divinity. As we stand before the Sant Pipaji Samadhi Sthal, the air itself seems to carry a sense of eternal silence and peace. This is a sacred ground where the mortal journey of the warrior king reached its divine conclusion. It's a place not of mourning but celebration, celebrating a soul that broke the chains of royalty to find freedom in faith. Looking at the shrine surrounded by the whispers of history, one realizes that while bodies perish, the light of a true saint continues to guide millions of devotees even centuries later. It is here at this very spot that the Gadi of devotion remains forever unshaken. Walking these paths today has been humbling experience, from royal stories of the panorama to the raw spirituality of this river bank. The journey of Sant Pipaji is a lesson for us all. I am honored to be joined by the resident Panditji, who has been the guardian of this sacred dham for the last 25 years. His life is a testament to the service of Sant Pipaji, and now I want you to hear the history and the untold stories of this land directly from his words.
जगतगुरु स्वामी श्री रामानंदाचार्य जी महाराज भक्ति काल के जनक माने जाते हैं।
अच्छा,
भगवान श्री राम के अवतार हैं और उनके प्रधान 12 शिष्य हैं। वैसे तो बहुत हैं, लेकिन प्रधान 12 हैं। उनमें पीपाजी महाराज मनु जी महाराज के अवतार हैं, जिनकी संतान होने के कारण हम मनुष्य मानव मनुज कहलाते हैं। वही श्री मनु जी महाराज अयोध्या के राजा जो थे, वो जो दशरथ जी बने, वही पीपा जी के रूप में अवतीर्ण होकर आए।
बहुत सुंदर।
भक्तमाल में सबसे बड़ा चरित्र यदि कोई है तो पीपा जी महाराज।
पीपा जी महाराज।
हाँ, तो इसलिए वो बहुत कुछ तो क्या सुनाऊंगा। ये स्थान जो है आहू और काली सिंध नदियों के संगम पर है। दो नदियां हैं, ये संगम है, आप देखेंगे
हाँ।
नीचे। और ये समाधि स्थल है, ये मंदिर है, पुरानी गुफा है यहाँ पास में,
हाँ,
जिसमें भजन करते थे, ध्यान लगाते थे पीपा जी महाराज। ये वट वृक्ष उसी समय का, पीपा जी के महाराज के समय का साक्षी है। ऊपर से आई हुए जो तंतु जड़ का स्वरूप बना लिए, उस पर टिका है।
बहुत सुंदर।
I am deeply grateful to bring these visuals to you and feel honored to be a storyteller for this land. As the sun sets and the water flows, the voice of heritage echoes with Sam. Jai Sant Pipaji Maharaj.